We got this cool little gadget here. It's a cassette tape. Let's go. So I went ahead and put one of the fluffy pieces there. One of our shock absorbers. It's definitely not shock absorbing. It's just soft. There you go. So I'm just going to put one on top, put one here in the middle. Nice. It's kind of cool. It's black right now, but obviously you got to put, I'm not sure if you can see inside there. Hopefully you can. My shadow in the way. There you go. So we're going to put that bad boy in here like so. Nice and easy. Gives it nice fluff there. Oh, duh. Sorry. It doesn't even go that far back. It goes right up here up close. And just snap that in place. Bop. There it goes. Now let's see if I can actually put these stickers on without it looking too dumb. This is cool too because it's USB-C. And they've got the USB-C to USB. There you go. So that's a 3.0. Should be nice. Good speed. And then here's your stickers. Kind of wish they put those on for me because I am not that great at this. So let's lift this baby up. This is probably easier. Put that right in the corner. Alright, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's alright. It's not perfect, but it's alright, and it looks dope. There you go. 3.0. Got the little windies up in there. That's pretty dope. I think that's really cool. Definitely awesome. Kind of heavy. I would probably prefer, because it doesn't have as much bounce in it, I would probably prefer putting in a solid state drive. That way you know that it's much more protected against, you know, banging and stuff like that. So, but otherwise, that looks really good. It looks really, really cool. Thanks for watching, guys.